Fuck you! You said tell me to get off the road.
Yeah,
I have every right to get on the road.
I didn't swear at you.
Oh. So what?
So you're allowed to say fuck you to me?
Fuck you.
Piece of shit. Yeah, fuck you, you little turd. You're a little turd.
Yeah, right.
You got the GoPro on, so you're a badass.
Yeah.
You're a GoPro.
Just ride my bike. I have every right that you do to be on that road.
Piece of shit.
You're a fat fucking pig.
You're a flaming piece of shit.
You're a fat pig.
You know what? You're lucky you got the GoPro on, you little dick.
Really?
Why don't you go boycott with a nigger?
Yeah. Faggot. So I really don't like getting involved in those situations. And I'm not real happy the way that I acted myself. I just hate that mentality. As I told him, I have every right to be on the road that he does. I wasn't even in his lane. Just an idiot. He actually turned around twice to catch up to me. I saw him at that last intersection. At the end of the video, he was in the wrong lane. He went down the road and turned around again. And I was pulled over because I dropped a chain, which I've been having issues with lately, dropping it both ways. Even though I think I need a new chain. But again, don't like to get in those situations. Try to avoid them. Sometimes it's hard not to though. Pumped up on adrenaline. It's always the guys in the pickup trucks too. So that's that. No harm done. Wasn't a fist fight. One more thing. The other thing is, I ride most every day, and I ride many of these same routes quite often. So the last thing I want to do is make an enemy. Somebody's looking out for me next time. It's just that, inevitably this kind of thing happens. I can tell you it used to happen a lot more when I was a teenager riding the streets. There's a lot more tolerance now for cyclists. But there's always that one idiot. So you do your best. Stay safe.